Hello, in this video I'll show you how to pay with Paysafe on Pandabuy. Now it is an extremely easy process. All you have to do is open your browser and then open Pandabuy on your browser. Now once the website is open, just simply log in with your account. After that, just simply click on your account over here and then click on User Center. Over here in the User Center, all you have to do is just simply click on the top up option right over here and then enter the amount that you want to have in your balance. So let's say for example $75. Now what you have to do is just simply click on confirm, and once you will do that, you will have the option to complete the payment using all the payment methods that are available down below over here. So currently the servers are down for Pandabuy in my region. That's the reason I'm unable to show you, but once you will do this process, you will be able to use your credit card or debit card or any other payment method available to you in your particular region, and then you can use Paysafe as well, and it will be available right over here in this page. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.